Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping skin so paint adheres and stays safe. Clean skin with mild soap and water, then pat dry, don't rub. Once done, apply a thin layer of moisturizer or barrier cream to protect skin. Let it set for 1 to 2 minutes so it absorbs. Make sure to use water-based face paints for easy blending and removal. Do a quick patch test behind the ear to check for irritation. If any redness appears, stop and choose a hypoallergenic product. You begin the design by sketching lightly with a cosmetic pencil or a damp sponge to map shapes. Then, apply paints in thin layers, working from light to dark. This helps control opacity and reduces cracking. Once you have base colors, blend edges with a damp sponge for smooth transitions, then add details with fine brushes. Make sure to rinse brushes between colors to prevent muddy mixes, and pause briefly after each layer so the paint sets. If you need sharper lines, wait and then redefine them. You finish by sealing your work to extend wear. Lightly dust translucent setting powder or mist with a setting spray. This reduces smudging and transfer. Once the event ends, remove paint gently using a gentle cleanser and warm water, letting oil-based removers break down stubborn areas. Do not scrub, which irritates skin. If paint starts flaking while worn, lightly mist with water or setting spray and press with a damp sponge to rehydrate and smooth the surface. If irritation develops, remove immediately and rinse well.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.